Hi everyone, it's Rain here from Rain Francis Art. I'm just sharing a very quick video today. I'm just doodling some abstract faces. A friend of mine, her name is Nicole, she has a blog, and every Friday she has a little blog party called Friday Face Off. And the only rule is that you have to have a face on your blog post to join in, so I'm joining in. So I thought I would just do some abstract faces. I'll put all of the information in the description below if you want to join Friday Face Off. So here we go. Here are my abstract faces. There's my first face. There's my second abstract face. Let's do something a little happier face here, maybe. There, she looks a little happier than this little crazy guy here. Now this last one I actually saw online and I wanted to try it. It's you do a face, but you never take your pen off the page. So let me start with the eye. Okay. And there we go. Those are my faces for Friday Face Off. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.